George, what are those gray things in the sky today? I really don't recognize them.
Those are called clouds, Juliet.
Oh, boy, I haven't seen those in a while, have we?
Yeah, they didn't do a whole lot for our dry weather pattern, though. Some rain in some areas, most down along I-94. But we have a much better chance of seeing some rain that means something, and that will start on Sunday afternoon. Let's take a look. 13 weather ball for the rest of the night, and tomorrow is green. No change to our 80s foreseen. And 13 on your sidelines football forecast this evening. Skies are already mostly sunny at the lakeshore, becoming partly cloudy here in the next, about an hour and a half. And we'll see clear skies at the kickoff of the fourth quarter. It'll feel like 81, though, at 7 and drop to feeling like 70 by the fourth quarter. Waves picking up behind those showers and thunderstorms down to the south. Already 2-foot waves there, and at the beaches you can see those 2-foot rollers there. 75 degrees with a gusty wind occasionally up to around 14 miles per hour. Water temperatures almost the same as the air temperature. 69 north, 71 further to the south. We did have some showers and isolated thunderstorms coming through West Michigan. Started around the noon hour. Most of the heavier rain was down here in Berrien County. We were just on the north edge of those showers, and that's it for the rest of the night. High pressure is building on in, and that dissipating cold front will finally push to the east. Now later on this weekend, we'll see a return to a chance for some showers and storms. This is Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, nothing but sunshine. A sunny, very warm day. Very much the same that we've had last couple of weeks. Saturday night, we'll start to see some clouds roll in, and then here comes that meaningful rain on Sunday. Just about everyone going to see rain. And now the models are showing that the rain is going to push to the east. Upper level winds now look like they're going to continue to be drying us out during the day on Monday. And the trend is toward cooler, more seasonable, but now drier weather much of next week. Rainfall, nothing here tonight, nothing tomorrow night. All of this will come on Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. About 2/3 of an inch, maybe even 3/4 in a couple of spots. That will certainly help out our rainfall situation. From the 26th through the 30th, this is wrapping up the month of September. High chances we will be back to warmer than average readings. Maybe not the 80s, but certainly the 70s, and that would be above average. And a slightly higher chance for less rainfall also during that 5-day period. We're going to wrap up September on a warm and dry note. Forecast for tonight, look for clearing skies this evening and then becoming mostly cloudy a little while. Upper 50s to low 60s. Same up north. You can expect temperatures into the mid and upper 50s, including there in Howard City and here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Overnight lows around 60 plus in some locations. 13 on your side forecast. The humidity leaves us Saturday morning. Sunny and very warm, 85 in the afternoon. Humidity returns along with the rain in the afternoon. Some rumbles of thunder possible as well. And those showers, I'm going to move them out on Monday, and then the rest of next week will be dry but seasonable. Highs around that average high in the low and possibly mid-70s. We did have chances for rain today, and some areas did see maybe just a little bit of rain, but we have a higher chance coming up on Sunday. Let's take a look ahead to your Saturday. Sun comes out, temperatures warm up again into the 80s, so weather ball green, no change foreseen. Walking the dog this evening, skies are clearing for Nala. I'm going to give you a green paw for Erica and Will to get you out on a walk. You're looking good there, sir. And ma'am, we're looking at temperatures in the 60s here later on tonight, tomorrow morning. Of course, football around the region, U of M and Ann Arbor versus USC, 83 and sunny at game time at 3:30. Notre Dame also at home versus Miami of Ohio, 87 and sunny. That's a very summer-like forecast. And of course, Michigan State on the road at Boston College. Much cooler there, 59 with a few showers. That is very fall-like weather. Through yesterday, we have recorded our sunniest September so far. We had a lot less sunshine throughout the day, so we may have slipped into maybe second or third place, depending on when we get the data after 8 o'clock tonight. Lots of sunshine returning to West Michigan after those early midday and early afternoon showers and thunderstorms. No severe weather. All of that is pushed to the east. Anticipating cold front coming on through really pushed up our dew points. It's a rather humid evening going on in here in West Michigan, and temperatures right now are back down to 78 after being in the mid 80s, still 90 in Chicago. Plenty of warm air back to our west, and with sunshine here tomorrow, we're expecting those kind of temperatures again. This is a European model showing lots of clear skies along the lakeshore tonight, maybe a few low clouds inland where there's higher dew points, but lots of sunshine expected during the day tomorrow. Now, the next weather system is still on track to come in on Sunday afternoon. We've been forecasting that most of this week. Most areas will see measurable rain that actually means something this time around. And then the weather pattern is going to evolve here over the next week or so. Originally, it looked like it was going to kind of stick around with some scattered showers through the middle part of next week, but now it's showing skies clearing on Monday without any rain the rest of next week. As far as rainfall, you can see about 2/3 of an inch of rain here, a little bit higher to the north and east, maybe up to an inch around Mount Pleasant. That will certainly be very welcome. Long range outlook. This ends the month of September through the first 4 days of October. There is no place in the U.S. that has below average temperatures. The entire U.S. has higher chances for warmer than average readings, and we're right on the edge of a higher chance for less precipitation. You can see that's over much of the eastern or western 2/3 of the U.S. Forecast for tonight, look for clearing skies this evening, and then maybe a few low clouds towards daybreak, mid and upper 50s to low 60s with calm winds. To the north, upper 50s with clearing skies this evening, and then becoming mostly cloudy, maybe a few low clouds. And then here in the greater Grand Rapids area, looking at overnight lows right around 60, give or take a degree or two. 13 on your side forecast. Humid tonight and through tomorrow morning with sunshine and 85 in the afternoon. Clouds will thicken up on Sunday with rain in the afternoon along with higher humidity down to 79. And then in the 70s starting Monday through much of next week. I think the showers may linger just into Monday morning, and if the weather patterns shape up as I think they will, the rest of next week will be dry. So we just got to get through this weekend with sunshine tomorrow, showers on Sunday.
The half and half forecast. There we go. Thank you, George. George, no rain to worry about tonight for the football games. In fact, it looks like it's starting to get sunny outside.
Yeah, sun has broken out just as we thought it would with those midday showers and even a rumble of thunder. Did you get any rain, Juliet?
Not a drop. I thought it was going to. It looked like it, but nothing.
Yeah, not even enough to wet the parking lot here. I did get a little bit down to the south, but we have a much better chance coming up on Sunday. Saturday, though, is going to be just like it has been most of this month. 13 weather ball is green, back into the 80s with a little bit of humidity foreseen. Highs today climbed into the mid 80s before those showers and rumbles of thunder moved on through. 85 here at Grand Rapids, well above the average of 72, not quite a record. We've been down just a few degrees the last couple of days. Within a couple of degrees of our forecast high, we've now gone 2 weeks in a row within our target range, and I believe that's 64 out of 65 days within our target range. And today marks day 11 with highs around 80 plus. And that ties for first. The last time we did this were the first 11 days in 1961. We will make 12, so this will be the longest stretch of 80-degree plus days ever in Grand Rapids in September. As far as rainfall, here you go. Trace in Muskegon, 100th in Kalamazoo, or down in Holland, 900s here at the station, and 2100s down in Kalamazoo. An inch and a tenth down toward Benton Harbor. That was meaningful rain. Upper level system, this is the one that's going to give us our Sunday rainfall. That is going to come out of the southwest and move into lower Michigan on Sunday. Now the weather pattern looking next week originally looked like some showers were going to stick around for the first half of the week, but right now it looks like all of that cool air is going to be far enough to our east where we may just be sunny and dry and just a little bit cooler. That's pretty much going to be the change, I think, next week. Instead of sunshine, will be cooler than average and dry. And you can see that in the European model outlook. There you go, about a half an inch of rain on Sunday and then nothing all next week through the following weekend. As far as dew points, they're going to jump here on Sunday afternoon and then fall into the 40s and 50s, so much more comfortable with that cool weather next week. Looking farther ahead, this is for mid-October. I don't see one part of the country that has cooler than average temperatures. High chances everyone will see warmer than average readings with our dry weather pattern continuing. We have higher chances for that. So tomorrow, sunny skies. It'll be very warm, up into the low 80s at the lakeshore, light south wind. Another beautiful day to be at the beaches. Mid 80s north with plenty of sunshine, light west wind. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, pretty similar with highs around 85 to 86. 13 on your side forecast. So half and half weekend with sunshine Saturday, rain Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. It may linger into Monday morning. There's a possibility it may not rain at all on Monday. And then cooler, more seasonable weather in the low and mid 70s with dry weather now much of next week.